actually going to look presentable this week. He's with another girl right now. What a
shut up, I'm gonna phone riding.
Hi everybody, my name is Ariel, aka The Natural Ariel, on all social platforms. If you're not following me now, make sure you guys go do that. The link will be in the description box below. And y'all, I could not stop looking at myself because look at my freaking hair. If you want to know how I grew my hair from this to this in literally under a week, just stay tuned. These are clip-ins. These are curly clip-ins from Betterlength. This video is in fact sponsored by Betterlength, so thank you so much for sponsoring this video. If you don't know about Betterlength, Betterlength is specialized in making texturized curly clip-ins for us naturals. On their website, they have all types of textures, from 4C to 3C to 4A to 1A to whatever texture that you need. Betterlength has it, and they also have like micro lengths, tape-ins. Today I review the 3B3C Kinky curly clip-ins in the length 20 inches. Originally I did 118. I did like cut them so I could shape them a little bit, and I like them so much better. I did show that in this video as well. So if you're interested in this video, make sure you guys keep watching, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yesterday.
Hey, hi, hello. So it's been a little minute since I recorded last. We're actually gonna make an effort to look presentable this week, so let's get straight into this video.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know.
Okay, so voiceover Ariel is here, and right in this clip I'm just showing you guys the parts that I did for my leave out. Did 2 on the sides and then 1 down the middle, and this is what my crusty little braids look like. Yikes. So these are the products that I use to define my curls. The products are going to be linked in the description box below. Someone in my last video asked me if I use all my products all together or I put them in one by one, and I do put them in all together, and I just rake them through and finger coil it all together. And here I'm just using my Twist Weather Up Gel to define it some more. Okay, so next we're getting into installing the clip-ins. Your package will come with 10 clip-ins altogether, and this is enough for your whole entire head. So I'm just showing you guys each clip that I received, and I'll put a breakdown of each clip-in the description box below. So let's start with clip number 1. This was, I believe, the 3-clip weft, and I like to apply the 3-clip weft at the bottom of my head because I've noticed that it fits that bottom part perfectly. And then I go in with my 2nd clip, which is the next 3-clip weft, and I did change this later on, but just make sure that you space out your clip-ins. You don't want them to be stacked right on top of each other because you still want to have enough clip-ins for the top part of your head. So I changed this later on, but I did space them out. And then we're going to go in with our first 4-clip weft. I did make this a little bit higher when I reapplied them, just so that I had enough clip-ins. And this is what it looks like, 3 clips in. So far, so good. Now we're going to get into the 4th clip, which is another 4-clip weft, and just making sure that you space it out. Then we're going to go into clips 5 and 6. This was a little bit tricky for me. I believe I moved this after spacing everything out. This is where I started using the 5-clip wefts, but those are going to wrap around the perimeter of your head. And then we're going to go into clips 7 and 8. This is where I start to use the 2-clip wefts. We're going to apply them vertically so that when they fall over, they're going to fall over clips 5 and 6. And one thing that I've noticed about these clip-ins is that they're so thin now so that no matter how much leave out you leave out or how less leave out you leave out, that's funny, it will cover it up regardless because they're so thin. I noticed before, like years ago, they used to be so bulky, so like you used to see the clip-in wefts, but now they've definitely been improving with making their clip-in wefts much thinner. So now you see me just starting to define and wet my leave out. I was worried that I was gonna take too much leave out, but it was just the right amount. I can't wait for my hair to get a little bit longer so that it's less noticeable, but it's fine. I would say if you don't want it to be so noticeable, just make sure you have less leave out. And this is what everything looks like. And this is the part where I wish that I would have washed the clip-ins.
I haven't talked like this whole entire video. After many hours, we are back. It is officially all installed now, all clipped in. My hair is blended. I won't know what I fully think until my hair dries. I didn't wash the hair. Probably should have, because already I have noticed that it does shed quite a bit, and I feel like it probably would have been a little bit more if I did wash it. So just expect, you know, to see some hair shed. Clearly normal for clip-ins, I feel like. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like so far. So good. I'm just gonna let it air dry for a little bit, that I might actually diffuse, because it's only 3 o'clock, but we're just gonna see what it looks like. I hope I did not make a mistake by doing this middle part, because my head is already like, see what it looks like. I am going to trim this hair and give it some shape so I can get that like nice little rounded type thing. But we're gonna try and trim this a little bit once it dries. I hope it dries nicely. That's all I gotta say. This is what the ends are looking like as well. Like the ends are just a little bit dry. I'm gonna wet it some more. I'm honestly gonna like soak the hair so that everything can dry the same and evenly, and then I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that foaming mousse to it so we can get some curl definition going on. I'm gonna be back when the hair is officially dry, so I'm super excited. Till then, I'm just gonna eat and do some homework. Oh my god, because I did not go to school today. And yeah, so many hours later, I'm back and the hair is officially dry now. Okay, I'm hoping that the camera isn't tripping or anything, but my hair is blending in so well to this hair. I'm gonna fix like these edges parts, because oh god, I just want to shape them up a little bit and see if we can add some dimension to it, because I feel like my hair is gonna bother me in terms of like leave out. They'll see like the hair is right here and then my hair ends all the way up here, so it's just like I would just rather if it kind of blended. Now I'm scared. I have never cut curly clip-ins ever, so I tried to look up some videos, but they're not being really informative. I'm gonna show it on camera anyways, because I'm just as confused. That means somebody out there is confused as well, so I want you guys to go through it with me. I'm just assuming that we're just gonna split the hair in half. Now I just want it to go down like this.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
Back to it now, and we are finally starting with shaping the hair. These scissors suck. Like, I've only had them, it's probably been a good 2 years now, so maybe they are dull, but you just see it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. So I just said F it and got some regular scissors, and they was doing the job. So I just went ahead with trying to cut diagonally down. I was honestly trying to copy the method from what I remember of all the times I would get my hair cut, and they would cut downwards but like to the side, and you see it already looks better. Like, look at that, like it's already starting to shape. And this is the side where I didn't shape yet. I was honestly scared. We're done already? Okay, so we're done. Yeah.
I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I loved creating it for you guys. Y'all, this hair is just giving me everything that I need and more. Check out Betterlength. All the links to every single product that I use will be in the description box below, as well as any discount codes so you can get your curly clip-ins for a good price. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos just like this one. And I'll see you guys in the next one. We're on the up and up, on the motherfreaking up and up, road to 10K. Love you guys so much.